In this video, I'm going to share with you how to assign an alt tag to an image using WebStarts. Alt tags are a text description of an image. Search engines like Google use alt tags to determine what images are of. Assigning alt tags can increase the chances of them showing up in places like Google image search. To assign an alt tag to an image on your web page, follow these steps. Log into your WebStarts account. Open the page editor by clicking the Edit Site button while in the dashboard view. Select the page where the image you'd like to assign an alt tag is displayed. Click to select the image for which you'd like to assign an alt tag. With the image selected, click the Attach Settings icon. Locate the field labeled Alt Text and enter the text that describes the image. Then click Out and save the changes you've made to the page. That's it. You've successfully assigned an alt tag to an image. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to see more helpful videos like this. And don't forget to visit WebStarts.com to create your very own free website, online store, or blog. Thanks for watching.